Alright, so here is my third quarter reflection. Memorable learning experiences. The most memorable learning experience I've had so far in the online course was the writing sessions, as well as the vocabulary quizzes. During the writing sessions, I have enjoyed writing arguments based on research, while my vocabulary increases as time goes on. It made me feel smart for once during those assignments, although no reading could have also helped, but honestly, I didn't think it helps at all. Considering the whole point of the website was to teach, it felt like I wasn't learning anything from it. So here are some of my assignments that I've compiled. One is writing session number 10, and the prompt was about slavery, whether it is a violation of one's right, or is it just. The next one's my vocabulary lessons 1, 2, 3, and here is my third assignment, which is writing session number 11. Although it did say writing session number 10 on the website, but I'm not really sure. And the prompt was can the government help the poor people? And this one I actually got interested in. I was actually torn apart between yes or no. So here is my reflection. My experience so far in the past few days in the online course was easy, although it did take some time to adjust to the online course, considering I still have a job to keep up to as well as on-site classes. Overall, the access of the websites such as Powtoon and Screencast was very much simple and easy to understand. But I did have a bit of a hard time doing Powtoon due to my computer's inability to do certain actions. The quarter was easy and bearable enough to get through compared to the algebra, geometry, and chemistry classes I've taken online. When I took those classes, the math and science classes, online, I was basically crawling to victory until the semester was over. I just hope I am still standing strong in this course until the semester finally ends. In the end, the course was enjoyable and I am able to handle all assignments as long as my computer still manages to do the necessary actions. And yeah, my computer is old, but hey, I'm not rich, alright? So thank you for your time, and here is the fat giraffe.